how true is not enough.
So my Beta85 is already working, but there's a problem. And I tried to land it on my head, and I broke one of the motors. Don't do stupid things, kids. So now, I ordered a new motor for the Beta85 version 2. It's the Flash Hobby 1204 5200 kV. The Flash Hobby motor that I need to replace. And also, I bought a new soldering iron. If you're already serious with a hobby, you need this, because this is the Sequre electric soldering iron. I think it's a TS100 ripoff, but it is kind of a little bit better. Next is so I'll be using this with a 5S that I made. This is actually originally from a 6S lipo, and I removed one cell, so it is now 5S. Anyway,